Why might you want to seal your family law case in Clark County, Nevada? I think there are many reasons for wanting to do so, but I'm going to address 5 that I consider probably the top reasons. And if your family law attorney hasn't discussed sealing your family law case with you, I think you should probably bring it up to them. Or come and see me. First of all, pretty much every family law case is going to require the parties to file general financial disclosure forms. On these forms, you're going to declare your incomes, where you work, your name, your address, who's living with you perhaps, all your sources of income, your debts, and your assets. Do you really want that to be a public record for anybody to look up? Like, for instance, after you're divorced, a future spouse could look this up and find out about your wealth or lack thereof in consideration of the marriage. Do you really want this to be public record for anybody? The second reason would be the detailed financial disclosure forms, which are required in certain family law cases involving divorce where a party might own a business. And because there's a business, even more financial information has to be disclosed to the court to figure out how to divide the business and so forth. On top of the reasons I provided for sealing a case because of a general financial disclosure form, the detailed could give your business competitors inside information or insight into your business, what it's worth, the debts it has, its vulnerabilities, and so forth. Do you want your potential competitors to know this information? They can obtain it if it's public record. The third reason would be that orders for money and alimony, child support, and so forth would be public record. Now, granted, these might be public record even if you seal the case. But if you seal the case, it may be more difficult for somebody to just go and get the records. They may have to actually go down to the courthouse and obtain them, as opposed to just going online and getting an account and looking up your orders for alimony or child support. Do you want people to know this information about you? What you might owe your kids or your ex? The fourth reason would be orders for child custody. Again, these might be public record, even surviving the sealing of the case, but it may be more difficult to obtain these records because the person who wants to look at them may have to go to the courthouse to get them. Now, orders for custody would include the names of your children, their ages, the schools they attend, when they get out of school, which parent they're going to be with, the addresses of each parent, when the parents have them, extracurricular activities, etc., etc. So much information about the child. Do you want that in a public record where, say, criminals can access this information, pedophiles, or what have you, and learn information about your child that could make them vulnerable? Number 5 reason is innocent bystanders. In your divorce or child custody case, you might list a number of witnesses that you want to have testify on your behalf at trial. And the witnesses will be listed in the records by name, address, phone number, and probably what they're going to testify about. These people may not want that information public. They're willing to testify, or if you subpoenaed them, they're being forced to testify, but should their information be in a public record like that? So those are my top 5 reasons for sealing family law cases. I personally think all family law cases should be sealed anyway because of these reasons. However, in Clark County, Nevada, we elect our judges, and for transparency, in order to review what the judges do and to determine whether we want to vote for them, a lot of this information is public unless the litigants request that it be sealed. So there are some litigants that want it up public. They want their dirty laundry aired. They have grievances and they want to just show everybody how unfairly they're being treated by the courts or what have you. And there are other people that believe in their privacy and the safety and security of their ex, themselves, their business, their children, and so forth. If you are considering sealing your record, ask your family law attorney about it.